Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys the best leveling technique that's available. And I personally use it as well. So I want to go to the horse guy and then I want to head over to Zappy Water Cave. Zappy Water Cave is right outside of the main spawn village. So if I run towards this direction, that's where the main village is going to be. Anyways, outside Zappy Water Village is going to be Membere. You want to do the Membere's quest. You want to accept his quest, and then yeah, after you accept his quest, you just want to go inside. You can always set your spawn location over here in case you die while doing this, but this is a very simple quest. It shouldn't take you much long, especially if you have a katana with you. And if you have your breeding unlocked, this should be even more easier. Anyways, I'm just gonna come here, attract this one, hurt him once, hurt them or him. Anyways, once the three of them are running behind me, I just want to use my attacks. For some reason, the two didn't get hit. Doesn't matter. We'll just use our waterfall basin, and that should be almost it. And with that, as you see, I already leveled up. So yeah, this is a very simple one, and the best part of this is you can repeat it as many times as you want. As you can see, the demons are still not here. All you have to do is just run back to that guy, right? And basically the timer of this quest of restarting is the timer needed for those demons to spawn in. So if I just go here and I talk to this guy once again, his quest should be available. Well, it's gonna ask me to wait just a bit longer. It doesn't really matter. You just wait for like what, 4 seconds. And if I go again, as you can see, it's already ready for me to do it again. And this is like a very good leveling up technique. And if you think that's you're not getting enough XP, what you can do is do the Nezuko quest. The Nezuko quest is gonna give you a lot of XP, as well as kill Gyu, Tomioka Gyu. He's also gonna give you a lot of XP. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.